Hello everyone, my name is Saint Lucia and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in the Nigerian political terrain. There's an update that says charity begins at home. But guess what, in Nigeria, for our political leaders, at home there is no charity, but abroad so much eye service. In the last 2 days, so much has been happening, and guess what, our president, who is currently away in Caribbean nation of Saint Lucia, promised what you call scholarship for their students to come to Nigerian universities to come and study for free. Of course, that is quite a good news. It's something, it shows that, of course, we are also charitable to people. But guess what? I tell you this for a fact. Since on the 24th of March 2025, the pupils of our primary schools in the FCT have been at home. And why? The teachers have been on strike. Over what? Over non-implementation of the new minimum wage. Talking about the 70,000 naira minimum wage. Those children have been at home. The teachers have been protesting, have been saying what is going on. These have been, the law has been enacted since last year, but until now, nothing for them. And our president, our leaders are doing eye service abroad when our children back home are in their houses. I don't know if this is a trend. You remember when Israel and Iran, of course, they started that war. It didn't take a day for our leaders, for the president to release a statement in response to that war. But in this same country, scores of citizens were massacred in Benue State. It took the president days. People had to start crying out to say, what is going on? Do we still have a president? Before he came out to say, okay, I will adjust my schedule and visit them 2-3 days later. And of course, when he went there, it felt like some political campaign. And then you ask yourself, what exactly is going on? Why can't we get our priorities right in our nation? How come our children be at home for over 3 months and our president, our leader, is away promising some students some free education? I don't know. Maybe you should tell us what you think about all of this, because for me, at this point, I don't know what to think anymore, because our leaders, permit me to say, they are God forbid.